Hello, everyone. I welcome you to join me for some outdoor time. I'll be doing some camping and hiking in the beautiful Fall Creek Falls State Park located in Spencer, Tennessee. Also, if you would like to see a full walkthrough of this awesome campground, I did do videos of every loop at this campground, and I will put links to those videos in the description below. Good morning, everybody. We are here at Fall Creek Falls State Park, and I didn't film us coming in because we got in. It was only about 6 o'clock, but of course it's late December, so it gets dark pretty quickly. And we had quite a bit of rain last night, so we kind of just got settled in and had some dinner, went to bed. But anyway, look at this. This is what I want to show you guys. Fall Creek Falls is one of the most popular state parks in Tennessee, and we are the only ones here on this particular loop. Completely empty. uh, and this is a little section of Loop B, or Campground B. Look at that. We have this entire little loop to ourselves. This is yet another reason why we do enjoy winter camping. I've said it before, but I'll say it again. Just the opportunity to have a little bit more privacy and serenity without the crowds is amazing. For right now, I think we're just going to make some tea and then go drive around the rest of the park. I don't know if we're going to hike today. The weather's a bit gloomy, but I guess we'll see. Ooh, I can hear the water. Oh, wow. It's really cool. Definitely have to come back, hopefully when the sun is shining later in the week. So when I zoomed in, I was kind of surprised to see some pretty small children that had hiked behind the falls there. They were accompanied by an adult, but anyway, I thought that was interesting. I didn't even realize there was a path to get down there. So maybe next time we'll give it a try.
Well, still got about 20 minutes for dinner, so let's go outside and see if Jason got this fire going. Any luck?
Trying.
Oh,
Not a lot of luck.
okay. I feel like these parks, they don't like to sell the good wood, huh?
No, then they don't want you to bring the stuff from home.
Yeah. Gotta work with what you got.
Even the stuff we just bought that wasn't in the truck yesterday is not
Really?
poof and taken off.
Oh, wow.
Maybe it'll take.
I hope so.
I'm trying.
It'll get there.
It
But
doesn't
by the
get-
time it gets hot, we'll be out of wood.
Hope not.
Quiet night in the campground. I just love it in the background. You probably can't hear it, unfortunately, but we can hear the sound of the water from all the waterfalls in the gorge nearby. And that's really all we hear. So many neat little places to explore at this park. And I don't ever get tired of exploring outside. Ooh, you see that? Look, there's a canoe that overturned. Yeah.
You can run off that.
God, I hope not. Oh, I see the little falls there. Oh, look how clear the water is. I gotta say, the wood that we bought from the park here has been terrible. It won't burn for anything. So, as you can probably see, there's quite a bit of fallen trees here. And Jason's trying to improvise and get us something to hopefully burn. Let's just drag the whole log up there towards us. Is it wet?
Would be good killing?
I don't know. It looks wet. Is it wet?
I can feel it. It's pine.
Yeah.
Feel wet?
No, feels all right. We got plenty to choose from.
I just want to do some of the pine stuff. I wish they had logged it. I could split it if it was logged. But I can't cut it this way. No. It's taking all day.
Well, I mean, we got time. Oh, goodness. All right, well.
See you an hour or two.
I'm going to let him work on that.
I'm not working very long.
And I guess I'll see about getting us something to eat together. A little bit messy. Right now, we've been out all day walking around. Let's get some light on. It's so dark. Oh, yeah. Anyway, I guess I'm gonna make us a little something to eat, and hopefully he's successful in getting us some firewood. And we'll sit by the fire. Enjoy the rest of the evening. All right, there's hope. There's a little bit of hope, guys. We might have a little bit of a fire yet. Fingers crossed. I tell you, there's nothing quite like a warm fire on a cold night. Hearing the wind blow through the trees. Hearing waterfalls in the background. Absolutely love it.
Thank you so much for watching. I truly hope you guys enjoyed the video today and your time outdoors with me. If so, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. That way you can join me on my next adventure. But until then, be good to yourself and do something that makes you happy today.